Okay, namaste. I have 3 cards here, and I was going to turn them over and see how accurate the pendulum is with not even looking at the cards, okay? So we've got 3. We have Warrior Woman, the Stars, and the Tower. And I'm going to try to find Warrior Woman in this bunch. So I'm going to turn these over, and then I'm going to mix them up and ask the pendulum. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I'm not looking, believe me. So mix, mix, mix. Got my eyes shut. Okay, now see if we can find Warrior Woman out of this bunch. All right, so is this one Warrior Woman? Give it a little time to make sure. Okay, it's showing a no there. Right? No, it's not. Is this one Warrior Woman? Okay, let's go to this one just to make sure. Saying that one is. And it is, see? It worked! Okay, so that gives an indication about the energy and, you know, the efficacy of it. Okay, so maybe we'll just turn these ones over and we'll try it one more time. So I'm going to shut my eyes. I'm really not looking. I can't tell what's what. Okay, give it a little more. Mix her up here. Okay, so we want to try to find Warrior Woman. Okay, how about this one? Sometimes it will start with a no and change, so I just want to give it a little bit of time. And then this one is turning as a yes pretty easily. Yeah, so there you have it. So I was just checking the pendulum to see how much it worked, and this has worked every time that I've tried it. One time it didn't, but I just believe that I didn't give it enough time to turn to yes. Because sometimes it does take a little bit, so I just, you know, it was a couple this way and then sometimes it moves. But this is really, I think I've done it 5 times and that works. So anyway, thank you. Bye.